Could the year 2024 be the best time to invest in the stock market? And if so, where should you put your money? As we stride into this new year, we see the world of investments layered with opportunities. The global economy, influenced by a myriad of factors, is in a state of flux, and this brings potential for those willing to navigate it. Economic policies, geopolitical tensions, technological advancements, all these elements play a crucial role in shaping the future of investments in 2024. The stock market, as always, holds immense potential. However, it isn't the only game in town. Bonds, real estate, and even the burgeoning world of cryptocurrencies are vying for the attention of savvy investors. So, where does the smart money go in this dynamic landscape? It's a fascinating question, one that we'll explore together. So, let's delve into the world of stocks and see where the smart money is heading. As we navigate the investment landscape, it's vital to understand the potential performance of different stocks. Let's take a moment to delve into this. Firstly, we have technology stocks. These are often characterized by their rapid growth and innovation. As we continue to embrace digital solutions and as artificial intelligence and machine learning become more prevalent, the tech sector could see considerable gains. However, high growth also comes with high volatility, meaning these stocks can be a bit of a roller coaster ride. Next, we have stocks in the healthcare sector. The ongoing demand for healthcare services, coupled with technological advancements in the field, suggest a positive outlook for these stocks. But remember, regulatory changes can have a significant impact on this sector, making it somewhat unpredictable. Then, there's the consumer goods sector. These are companies that produce items we use daily, like food, clothing, and household products. They generally offer stable returns and are less susceptible to market fluctuations. That said, they might not provide the high growth rates seen in sectors like technology. Now, what influences these performances? A myriad of factors, from economic trends, market sentiment, to company-specific news. For example, a strong economy can bolster consumer spending, which in turn boosts consumer goods stocks. On the other hand, a new product launch or a breakthrough innovation can send tech stocks soaring. And of course, each investment carries potential risks and rewards. High-growth stocks, like those in the tech sector, can offer significant returns, but they also come with a higher risk of loss. On the flip side, more stable sectors like consumer goods might offer smaller returns, but they also carry less risk. So, what does all this mean for you as an investor? It's about finding the right balance. A diverse portfolio featuring a mix of high growth and stable stocks can help manage risk while also offering the potential for solid returns. Understanding the potential performance of different stocks can help you make informed investment decisions. So, what are the best stocks to invest in 2024? As we venture into the future, the investment landscape is evolving rapidly. A few standouts are emerging as the top-performing stocks to consider. Let's delve into these promising prospects. First on our list is 𝗏 Technologies, a leading player in the renewable energy sector. With the world shifting towards sustainable energy, 𝗏 Technologies continues to break records with its innovative solutions. Their performance history has been consistently strong, and the potential for future growth is staggering. This company is not just selling a product or a service, they are selling a vision of a greener future, making them a solid investment for those looking to capitalize on the renewable energy trend. Next up is Quantum Computing Inc. As the name suggests, this company is at the forefront of quantum computing, a technology that has the potential to revolutionize everything from healthcare to finance. Despite being in a relatively nascent stage, Quantum Computing Inc. has shown impressive growth. The company has a robust research and development pipeline, which could lead to significant advancements in the coming years. Investors with a high risk tolerance and a long-term view may find this stock particularly attractive. Then we have HealthTech Global. In the wake of the pandemic, the importance of healthcare and technology has never been more apparent. HealthTech Global is a pioneer in telemedicine and digital health solutions. The company's performance history speaks volumes about its ability to adapt and innovate. With a growing demand for remote healthcare, this stock offers a promising outlook. Lastly, let's not overlook Omni e-commerce. With the surge in online shopping, Omni e-commerce has been thriving. The company's robust supply chain and diverse product range have contributed to its stellar performance history. As e-commerce continues to grow, this stock could be a fruitful addition to your portfolio. Investing in these stocks could potentially yield significant returns. Remember though that all investments carry risk. It's essential to do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and diversify your portfolio. Happy investing. What about the S&P 500? What can we expect from this market index in 2024? The S&P 500, a stock market index that measures the performance of 500 of the largest companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States, is often seen as a barometer for the health of the U.S. economy. As we look ahead to 2024, there are several factors that could influence its performance. Firstly, the U.S. economy's overall health is a major determinant. If the economy continues to grow steadily, as it has in recent years, we can expect the S&P 500 to follow suit. However, economic growth is not guaranteed. Unforeseen events such as natural disasters or geopolitical tensions could disrupt the economy and by extension, the S&P 500. Next, let's consider interest rates. The Federal Reserve's policy on interest rates can significantly affect the stock market. If rates are raised, borrowing costs for companies increase, which could lead to lower corporate profits and a potential decline in stock prices. Conversely, if rates are lowered, it could stimulate economic activity and boost the stock market. Technological advancements also play a role. Companies that are able to adapt and innovate are likely to do well, which in turn could drive the S&P 500 upwards. On the flip side, companies that fail to keep pace with technological changes could see their stock prices fall. Lastly, we must consider consumer confidence. If consumers are optimistic about the economy, they're more likely to spend money. This increased spending can lead to higher corporate profits, which can boost stock prices. In conclusion, the expected state of the S&P 500 in 2024 is largely dependent on a variety of factors, including the health of the U.S. economy, interest rates, technological advancements, and consumer confidence. While it's impossible to predict with certainty, it's important to keep an eye on these factors as they can give us an indication of where the S&P 500 might be heading. Keeping an eye on the S&P 500 can give you a good sense of the overall health of the U.S. stock market. Now let's turn our attention to Latin America. What's in store for this region's markets in 2024? Latin America, a region filled with diverse economies and a wealth of natural resources, is expected to be a hotspot for investment opportunities in 2024. The markets in this region are forecasted to experience significant growth, driven by a number of key sectors. One sector that holds promising prospects is the technology industry. As digital transformation accelerates across the region, tech companies are set to thrive. The rise of fintech, e-commerce, and digital services is paving the way for investment opportunities in companies that are leading the charge in these areas. Another sector to watch is renewable energy. With the global commitment to reduce carbon emissions and Latin America's abundant natural resources, the region is primed to become a powerhouse in the renewable energy sector. This is likely to attract investors seeking to capitalize on the increasing demand for clean energy solutions. The agribusiness sector also holds potential. As the global population continues to grow, so too does the demand for food. Latin America, with its vast arable lands and favorable climates, is well positioned to meet this demand, making it an attractive option for investors in the agribusiness sector. However, it's important to remember that investing in Latin American markets also comes with its share of risks. Factors such as political instability, economic volatility, and regulatory changes could potentially influence the performance of these markets. Therefore, it's crucial for investors to stay informed and consider these factors when making investment decisions. In conclusion, the future of markets in Latin America in 2024 looks promising. The region's markets are expected to grow, driven by sectors such as technology, renewable energy, and agribusiness. Yet, like any investment, it's essential to keep an eye on the potential risks and stay informed about the evolving economic and political landscape. Latin America's markets could offer a wealth of opportunities for investors in 2024. Finally, let's take a closer look at Mexico. What stocks could work well for this country in 2024? As we gaze into the crystal ball, a few names stand out. First, there's Grupo Mexico, a multinational infrastructure company. The ongoing projects in infrastructure development and the anticipated boom in the construction sector make it a promising prospect. Next, there's América Móvil, a telecommunications giant. With the rise of digitalization and the increasing need for connectivity, América Móvil has the potential to yield substantial returns. Let's not forget about FEMSA, a dominant player in the retail sector. Its robust business model and extensive network across the country offer a compelling investment case. Lastly, Cemex, a multinational building materials company, is worth considering. With the global demand for sustainable construction materials on the rise, Cemex's commitment to environmental sustainability could be a ticket to its growth. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, 2024 promises to be an exciting year for the stock market.